ka, ano ang magiging impact noon sa PNP pag ikaw ay na-enlist nila?
Okay, sir. So, sir, as a graduate of WD, the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology and ESL, I know, sir, that my education, of course, and my work experience and my personal characteristic would help me to be more fitted on this organization. First, as a graduate of BSIT, I was trained to use computer systems efficiently, not just in the basics, but also in a different or a broader way of using computer system or technical issues. We are in 2025, sir, and I know all offices relies on a computer system, and I think that would be one of my edge to other applicants. Next, sir, is my educational experience or being an IT instructor. It develops my strength or the deeper understanding of people and community. And that's it, sir, overall, I believe that I am equipped, committed, and ready to serve the PNP meaningfully as well, sir.